This is the 12 gang switch panel, and it includes 2 sheets of decals so you know what you're turning on and turning off. The professional 12 gang switch panel is designed for 12 volt to 24 volt accessories with a power range of 1200 watts to 2400 watts and a working temperature range of -40 to 221 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum current of 100 amps. The auxiliary switch panel features an auto sensing dimming function and a turn on off backlight function. The backlight will be dimmer or lighter depending on the environment to reduce visual distraction. You can also press the mode button to turn off the backlight during the daytime. The Auxbeam 12 gang switch panel has 3 utility functions: toggle for constant light, momentary for press and hold to turn on, release to turn off, and pulsed strobe mode. The memory function retains your settings for quick device access. The RGB function can adjust the panel lights to any color you like, and it can better match the color of your car's interior LED lights or interior decorations, giving you a better visual experience. The car switch panel is highly sensitive and stable due to its solid state relay. It's equipped with a circuit breaker that provides voltage protection, reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, and thermal protection. The base of the circuit control box is made thicker and includes a thermal conductive strips, providing excellent heat dissipation. Two-sided output. The current control box splits the outputs into 2 sides. This feature allows for more flexible wiring, reduces wire clutter in the engine bay and under the dash. And it's great to control multiple devices with one switch panel. You can add multiple devices to your car, such as lights, exhaust fans, speakers, stereos, etc.